Oh, they're fighting. Look, they're fighting. They're fighting. They're fighting. Seagulls fighting. Oh, he's mad. Wow.
Whoa! Look at that! I wonder how many people.
Marcus, get closer. Turn around, Marcus. I want to take a picture of you with all of them in the background. Okay, turn. Look, look.
Whoa!
There's so many.
Hello.
Look. They're talking. Oh.
You almost picked me! I can't sit 5 feet.
Whoa! We're gonna get pooped on. Ah!
I wonder what attracted all the pigeons.
The food, buddy.
Okay, happened again.
They're fighting out in the water, buddy.
Dang, taking it out to the water. That's hardcore. It's not just on land, it's by sea.
Did you see the male and female like glide across the water?
Mm-hmm.
Or I think the bread was a good thing that attracted the pigeons.
Okay.